Last weekend we had some guests over and lo and behold, someone broke the shower. I'm not naming names, but down here in the guest bathroom, it's a big deal. And my mom is coming this weekend, so we need to fix it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're actually not going to repair the shower head. We're going to replace the head altogether. It's a plastic one. It's covered in chrome. It's pretty common, but I want to upgrade to something heavier, like a stainless steel. Now here's a tip. Before you get up there and start working, make sure you cover the drain. You don't want to lose any parts down there. I like to use an old towel. So as you can see here, there's nothing to hold the shower head in. I don't know what they did there, but changing out a shower head is really simple. It's as easy as unscrewing the old shower head and screwing in the new one. Now in our case, I don't need any tools because there's actually a hand tightener here. If you did need tools, you probably want to use a pair of pliers or channel locks. And just pull the whole thing off here, and this one actually has, this is a pivot ball. Yours may or may not have it, but just unscrew it. There might be some water in here too, so just be careful. In our case, there's not. Now this is called the shower arm, and this is pretty standard in most homes, as are the threads, so really any replacement should fit this. The next step is to use this. This is called Teflon tape, and it wraps around the threads, and it really helps to prevent leaks. Now, one thing you really want to make sure you do is put it on in the same direction as you're screwing on the shower head. Otherwise, you could get it all bound up in there, and it's going to leak. I like to wrap it about 3 or 4 times around should do it. And then all you have to do is pull. Now we can put on the shower holder. Okay, now just to cinch this up tight, I actually am going to need some tools, but I don't want to mar this nice chrome finish, so I'm just going to put a towel over it and tighten it up. Really, anywhere there are threads, you want to put some of this Teflon tape on. It just makes that nice tight seal so there are no leaks. And I'm going to first hand tighten it. And then again come back with the channel locks and use a washcloth so that I don't mar the finish. Now just pop the handle in place, turn it on, check it out, no leaks, looks good.
See, you can do this yourself. You don't need a plumber. Now, if you wouldn't mind, I'd like to try this out. Thank you. Keep going. Thank you. Who's luxurious?